A terrific Thursday for India stock markets, and what really has been fueling the rally? We've seen, well, of course, the benchmark indices surge 2%, the Sensex zoom past 1400 points at one point. We've seen broader markets outperform, and all sectoral indices looking upbeat. So, what really are the key reasons for this massive spike and the sudden one at that? Remember, earlier in the day, we started off marginally with marginal gains and marginal losses, and then swiftly we saw, of course, these massive gains coming in for India's stock market. So what really are the three key reasons? Now NDTV has been speaking to analysts, and they believe essentially three key reasons are fueling this rally today. They feel that these three reasons have contributed to this massive spike today, and the first one being FI buying, FI inflows returning significantly. That really is a celebration. Investors are cheering on D Street. They believe that's one key factor. The second key factor they feel is trade talk optimism. They feel that India and US are looking at, the deals very, very closely, bilateral trade deal, and talks will be hopeful and bright. And so they feel that, look, that really one optimistic factor there that is fueling this rally. The third key reason they feel that will be, fueling this rally further going forward as well is the fact that India is resilient. Remember, India's economic indicators are upbeat. We have reported inflation that is easing. We have, of course, also heard the RBI say that going forward, the inflation trajectory will be optimistic. So all these factors really, they feel that India is insulated to a large extent, will not be hurt as the rest of the world. As we have seen since April 2nd, we saw the rest of the world, all other equities have been hampered far, far more, as opposed to India's stock market, which has been the first equity market to recover from the tariff-induced losses altogether.